number 23 for brunch. I decided to switch from the Italian place to a black-owned business. So this chef, his name is Tobias, and I think he has 2 restaurants in this area. But right now I'm at 123. It looks like a African-inspired fusion type of restaurant, and the menu is actually really good. I'm excited to try some of this. They have sushi here, which I don't think I've ever had sushi from a black-owned restaurant, to be honest with you. But this coconut curry chicken ramen sounds like it's about to be right up my alley. They also have a grilled branzino too. An Afro-Asian fusion twist because they have like a lobster jollof here, rice and oxtail, pork belly kimchi fried rice. So I definitely feel like it's an Afro-Asian fusion, especially with the Buddhas in here and things like that, but it's still very black. So I'm waiting for my friend to get here. I'm not going to be getting a lot of appetizers and drinks and things like that, but I'm definitely going to let you know how the curry ramen tastes. Wow. Thank you. I didn't know it was gonna do all that.
I didn't either.
Record my guests. Wait. That's mine. Okay.
Oh, that's yours. I'm talking about. Oh, what's
that? That is too funny.
Well,
let me see. She said I'm about to get it popping.
Okay. I'm like, well, what you?
No, I did one drink because I was like, it's a special occasion.
Yeah.
I didn't see you in a long time.
I know.
Well, not really. It was summertime, but.
No, you came to the birthday party, badass
Oh,
kids.
yeah. Oh, Lord. I should have brought Freya, too.
Girl. Oh, yeah, because all the other kids like running around fucking disease and shit. Now, them devil eggs don't look bad. Let me see.
Girl.
Damn. That's the rock punch? Now, they know
it's
Yeah.
Maybe, you know, I'm not gonna
I taste more of that prickly pear than anything.
I ain't gonna finish that.
Oh, because it got vodka. Well, white rum. I taste the pear more than anything. It says vodka and white rum.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, that's all you need, one of them.
No, for real. Oh, a Korean fried chicken and waffle.
Like I always eat fish. Right, I was looking at that too.
I might do that. Do you really like this for real? The lady said it was cute. But I feel
I like it.
I love being back to now, but they're a little straggly, a little thin.
I'm gonna record so it looks like it's not.
Oh Lord, we gonna have to do us a thing.
Oh yeah, boomerang.
Yeah. They say how you can tell the millennials.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay.
I just want us to get a few pictures so I can like make it into the vlog or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a picture. I can make a call. We gonna drive? We gonna drive? We gotta drive. Where we going? You gonna press it back on? How you turn it on? How do you turn it on? Say on. There you go. That's off. You wanna press it back on? Turn it back on. Whoa, that's loud.
Go loud?
Yeah.
Go loud? Go loud.
You don't like it loud.
Go loud.
Yeah, absolutely. The whole system falls apart.
Go
Police is scared to get him too.
Where we going, girlie? Where we going?
He called them.
Oh.
Where we go? Ready to go to the car wash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doggies.
Turn it on.
It's too loud.
Mama, it's time to go in the back with your booster, okay? You have fun? Okay, Mama. Go with Daddy. Oh, Lordy. There we go. All right, y'all. We vlogging.
You vlogging? Okay.
Everybody say hey.
All right, so
hey.
okay.
The tray right there.
Good morning. I'm going to do the deluxe. Sorry. Can you go back? The works.
Look, you see the train?
Okay, yeah, I see it. Okay.
What's that?
Thanks. Freya, we got our ticket. Get in line, Bubby.
Going through the haunted house.
You see the bird poop on the car? No, it's got bird poop right there.
It's going to be gone
They
when
gonna
we get
rid of
out.
bird poop.
got your
Yeah, you see,
tones
look, it's
and
getting
stuff
washed.
together.
See?
Ah,
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that, Frey.
Ray.
We're going in.
Ray.
Right.
You see the
Oh,
brushes?
it's gray inside, yeah.
You see the brushes?
Look, Freya. Put off brake, calm your hands off the wheel.
Uh-oh. Look at the soapy coming
Ooh.
down.
Oh, let's make sure.
Look at the soap. I did. Whoa. Look at your headphones. Oh, okay. You want your headphones? Whoa, that's cool, Freya.
What car doing?
In the car wash. All done. Oh, look at that.
Something's done.
Look at that. Got a bath. The car got a bath.
Oh, look, Daddy.
Yes.
Look at the dryers. Water.
Oh. Oh, it's good.
Red thing.
Oh, yeah, it is a red light.
What's a red light?
Y'all see the water moving? Look, you see the water moving? Look at that. Look, it's moving over there. Look, it's moving over here.
That's a red light.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's another car too.
But I think the cloth is very nice. Mommy. That's the flavor.
There's a bunch of tissues in there. Maybe I will take a bite. I do need to go though. Don't you need your biscuits?
From the
Okay. I know, I'm coming.
That's those came from Denny's. When I fold in half like that, if she could throw that stuff in that little
Yeah.
cubby hole.
She stole them. Hold on. Okay.
Don't cry
Mom
about it.
has. Let me turn off. Y'all, my mother has a problem, and it's called theft. Theft. It's called theft.
No.
What you call it? Y'all.
Reparations.
Reparations. Okay. Mom bought these trash bags for the car. Ladies, you know where these came from, right? If you know, you know. Don't tell the fellas.
They was on the counter.
Where you get these from?
I ain't gonna tell you the store.
Tell me.
The restaurant?
Who did you steal these from?
I got them off of Amazon.
You got them from Amazon? Amazon sale,
I bought them off of Amazon Prime. They arrived in 2 days.
thief. Thief.
That's too big for that bag.
I know.
You know what I'm saying? Put that in here. Oh my God. Here.
No, for real. This all she stole for napkins, y'all.
No, I'm in the bathroom and I just grabbed
She
some extra
stole all of
napkins.
these.
Look, this lady was crying yesterday and I gave her some tissue.
Okay. You gave her some hard napkins.
I gave her the soft ones.
Give me a napkin. Here you go.
You gave her the good kind.
She got
Them
house
came from the
napkins
house.
too. All right, y'all.
Money paper.
You see all that? Currency, real currency, y'all.
If you get injured, we can get up a spill.
Girl, what else in here? A lock.
I was looking for that. Charge it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for emergency. Now, I do have that. Okay. I do have that for emergency.
What's this for? What's this for?
To strangle a burglar. That, in case you get sick.
You know what? That's lovely. That's really actually smart. It's a sick bag now. All right. Napkins is situated.
You want Joe?
No. All right, let me go.
I'm gonna walk in with you. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I meant to try it.
This is the worst tea I got from Chick-fil-A.
This the worst. This supposed to be, but it's okay. That's. I said half unsweet,
You said or something.
half unsweet tea and lemonade. But where the lemonade?
Gabby said that lemonade suck. It tastes like lemon juice, don't it? Tastes like water lemon juice.
Yeah.
All right, let me go.
We're about to get her together.
Yes.
This is what week? 3 week maintenance?
3 weeks, yeah.
Yep, 3 week maintenance.
Yep.
So this is the before.
Yeah.
And you're gonna see how we get into it afterwards. This is the real deal, raw and cut. This her hair at this point. Okay. Yes, that's more like it. What the fuck? Hold on.
What?
You look good.
Oh.
Necessarily mean hold on for you. It's just like you look good.
I love it so much less hair. Oh my gosh. I got a little crown.
Yes.
A little rosette.
Yes. So cute.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Hopefully I met you halfway.
You did.
Say grateful DIY. Because you know what? This is sandable. This is not cheap.
This is stuff from Genesis. I'm giving away my baby stuff, y'all. It's time to let it go. This is travel bassinet, and I know a few people who just had some babies, so I'm going to make sure I get this to them very soon. So we found the stuff from COVID, y'all. Look. Clorox wipes. This is from when I was 40 and during COVID, okay? Okay? This was my favorite right here. This Purell surface cleaner. This was liquid gold, y'all. I feel like you can't even see my other Vans or not. But anyway, I bit off more than I could chew. I think we've been here for about 2 hours now, so we're starting to put stuff back in the storage unit, and then we have stuff that we're taking with us to either throw away, donate, or keep. I found some of my artwork, so I don't have to buy any artwork. I found my ring light. We can actually walk in the unit right now. This is the stuff that we're taking home. some of the other stuff. There's my ring light. There's some trash that we got. And we putting this sofa back in. This is everything we're taking home. I have some baby stuff I'm giving away. Some of my artwork. Sherry's assistant items. Some old clothes. So this storage unit costing me $400 a month. $400 a month. And I'm actually gonna go see if I can. Let me go see if I can bargain real quick. I ain't even recorded. Damn. Mommy, you did a good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. I be doing too much because my feet definitely cramping from being in there trying to be Incredible Hulk and moving stuff. But honestly, I take what I can get energy wise. Ooh, baby, my dogs is barking. They barking.